All right, guys, just going to do a little update video. Last time you saw this, the motor was all tore apart, putting the cam in it. Well, I got it back up and running and put the F cam in it. Got about 11 more horsepower, which is always good. Found out I had a stock converter, which where I got it from, they told me it was a little bit above stock. But I got this one, putting back in it. If anybody knows who makes this converter, let me know. But some of my projects I got coming up in the next week or two or three, putting a fuel pump, hooking my second fuel pump up, the wiring. I got to finish up putting my crank trigger on. I got the wheel already on, but it's got to do the wiring and the rest of it. Still got a boost controller I'm going to be putting on. Also going to be putting this intake back on. I don't know if you guys remember, but my first couple of videos, this was all white. Apparently, the one I have, it's too big and it won't work with the setup that I have with the cam and the gears and all that stuff. Supposedly it's overkill. I didn't know that you could go too big, but apparently when you're doing a turbo motor, you can. But I'm gonna put this on. I'm gonna sand it down. I had it powder coated, obviously. I gotta sand this down so the trick flow will come through. I had this rerouted, had it redone because it was hitting my fog lights on my bumper I'm doing. I think you guys saw that video, hopefully. But I had to get it offset because it was hitting my fog light on the front of the bumper here. So I got all that put back together. My headlights, I got some of the darker ones. Got to put them in. So just a few projects I got going on. So got that put in. I got the airflow meter sitting on the console right this second, as you can see. So still got some more projects to do, but hopefully I can get it done here in the next 2 or 3 weeks. Get this thing back on the road. But anyway, that's where I'm at right now. And you guys like and subscribe. Leave me a question. Tell me what you think. But anyway, that's where I'm at right now. Talk to you guys later. Peace.